Welcome back to PCA's Garage. Today we're going to be talking about KEF audio speakers. Why? Well, in a few days it's going to be Father's Day, and maybe hint hint to all the kids out there, this would be an awesome Father's Day present. A few months ago, you may remember that I did a review on the Porsche Design wireless headphones. That is actually a partnership between Porsche Design and KEF Audio. Since then, KEF Audio has really been active in PCA. They've been to a number of our events, and as a matter of fact, a few weeks ago they were at PCA's Treffen Tamaya in New Mexico, where they had a sound night every evening after dinner. We were listening to awesome tracks on wonderful speakers. So they sent out, these are the LS50W wireless speakers, and I'm going to unbox them, show you the details, and tell you why this would be the ultimate Father's Day present. All right, before I uncover them, I will share with you they were packed extremely well. You don't have to worry about UPS throwing it around because it is padded very well with a lot of space inside the box. They are protected and wrapped, and we are going to go ahead and start to open them. I'm not sure the exact weight. We'll put the weight in the video later, but that's a probably good 10 to 15 pounds of speaker. For those of you that are into audio, knowing that a hefty speaker with a solid cabinet is really important for great sound. So it's good to see that's got some nice weight to it. Now what you're looking at here is the rear of the speaker, where there's a port for the low frequencies, and we'll talk about the connectors later. But this one I'm going to open up where you can see the front, because the front is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so there you have the 5 1/4 speaker there. Now these have built-in amplifiers. They have Class D, very efficient amplifiers. I believe each speaker has about 230 watts. 200 watts alone going to this mid-bass driver and 30 watts going to this high-frequency driver. So separating out the sound and maximizing the amplifier's capabilities to drive these speakers. So in the box, let's see what we got here. This is the LS50 wireless accessory pack. All right, so inside the box, you'll see you have a nice remote control here. We'll go ahead and open that up. Why don't you take a look at that piece. You have a quick start guide. That's about how quick you need to look at it. You've got your warranty information, important safety information, and all these other techno sheets here. The important things. All right, so you have a cable to connect if you're going to connect to a PC. You have a network cable. You have, now even though these are wireless speakers, it comes with a cable that connects them to each other. And the reason being is that although it's wireless to your phone or to the source of the music, they are connected so that the amplifiers and the digital processing, the speakers can work together and optimize the audio and stereo separation and such. So we'll go there. And of course, 2 power cables. So we are going to pause real quick, and I'm just going to connect these, and we'll be right back. Okay, so now that we have everything connected, we've got the power cords connected, and we have the network cable that links the left and right speaker together. Then what you need to do next is simply go to your app store and download the KEF LS50 wireless app. And once you download it, all you simply do is go through the step-by-step procedures. They'll ask you for how to connect to the speakers and connecting it to your wireless network. And then it just kind of syncs everything up, and it goes straight and shows you your playlist on your phone, and simply hit play.
Just a small town girl.
So that's it. It's pretty simple. I can tell you we've listened to it for a few minutes here. I did get to listen to them when we were at Treffen, and these smallish speakers, bookshelf speakers, as many would call them, really puts out a tremendous amount of sound, but not just the amount of sound, but the quality of the sound. It's very clear. The reason why, again, these wire, the wire between the two is to give you some great stereo separation. And if you have some tracks that definitely have a strong left to right bias, you'll hear the intricate details of the track, of the instruments, of the vocals, which is really, really cool. Again, great present for Father's Day, Mother's Day, Christmas, birthdays, whatever it might be. For this garage environment, these two speakers could literally rock this whole entire garage. Is it a bit much for the garage? Possibly, but if you're an audio person and you want amazing sound in your garage, these would be it. Now, if you want to take these inside the house, you can use it as is, or for those that listen to more bass-heavy music and are looking for a little bit more low-end frequency, there's actually a subwoofer output that you can connect to your powered subwoofer, so you could have that much more sound wherever you set these up. But that's it, simple setup. These are extra wires that if you wanted to connect directly to your home network, and this one is if you wanted to connect it to your PC. So you have your playlist here, you have your music playing. What else could you ask for? So again, this is an awesome Father's Day present, awesome Mother's Day present, birthday, and or Christmas. I would be happy to receive a pair of these as a present from my kids at any time. So I hope you enjoy this, and we'll bring you more KEF audio products in the future.